Let's discuss 50 high yield AIA PGT TSM one liners. So, first is Father of Epidemiology John Snow, Father of Preventive Medicine James Lind. World Health Day is celebrated on 7th April, World AIDS Day 1st December, World No Tobacco Day 31st May, National Doctors Day in India 1st July, WHO Headquarters Geneva. When WHO established year is 1948. UNICEF headquarters location New York City. Replacement level of fertility 2.1. Most sensitive health indicator is IMR, infant mortality rate. Most comprehensive development indicator is human development index. Crude birth rate is live birth upon per thousand population per year. Maternal mortality ratio is maternal deaths per 1 lakh live births. Population pyramid of developing countries is expanding type. Census in India is conducted every 10 years. First census in India was conducted in the year 1872. First complete synchronous census was conducted in the year 1881. National population policy came in the year 2000. Sample registration system started in the year 1970. ASHA 1 per thousand population. Anganwadi worker 1 per thousand population. Sub-center coverage is in plain area 5,000 population. Sub-center coverage in hilly or tribal areas is 3,000 population. PHC coverage in plain area is 30,000 population. PHC coverage in hilly or tribal areas is 20,000 population. CHC coverage is 1,20,000 population. Health is a state of complete well-being. Definition is given by WHO. Positive health concept given by Henry E. Sigerist. Health education principle is participation. Incidence measures new cases. Prevalence measures all existing cases. Cohort study gives relative risk. Case control study gives odds ratio. Gold standard for causation is RCT. Confounding can be controlled by randomization. Screening test ideal characteristic is high sensitivity. Confirmatory test ideal characteristics is high specificity. False positive decrease specificity. False negative decrease sensitivity. Vector of malaria is female Anopheles mosquito. Vector of dengue is Aedes aegypti mosquito. Vector of Kala Azar sandfly. Vector of filariasis Culex mosquito. Reservoir of rabies is dog. Iceberg phenomena best seen in hypertension. Most common nutritional deficiency worldwide iron deficiency anemia. Vitamin A prophylaxis starts at the age of 9 months. BCG vaccine का route intradermal. Pulse polio vaccine route oral.